I want to welcome
and evolution of educational opportunities.
This is off record first.
Yeah, it's off, of course it's off record.
We are partnering with the county government of Kisii in handling the health matters. As you all know, health is a devolved function, and we are partnering with the county government of Kisii in this.
From our discussions, we need to have more data collected on children because cancer is also affecting all age groups, children included. Kisii has done a good investment in terms of training of healthcare workers to be able to handle cancer. And just as my colleague, the Dean, Dr. Igara, has mentioned, we have oncologists, from pediatric hemato-oncologists to adult oncologists, who are treating this disease in the county.
It was our opinion during this session that we could pool our energies, of course with the guidance of institutions such as Kisii University, to then generate information that we can be able to use to customize our treatments to local settings.
The workshop went quite well. We've talked about most of the leading cancers in Kenya, about breast cancer, prostate, cervix. So we talked about prevention, treatment, research, and we actually thought the workshop very well, and we think it will be an annual, or if not a biannual event.